In this lecture, I will discuss about the adductor longus, the adductors of the thigh. First is adductor longus. The origin of adductor longus is the front of the pubis. It is attached to the front of the pubis and it is inserted into the middle third of linea aspera. Linea aspera is present on the femur, uh, behind the femur. Okay, so adductor longus origin is the front of the pubis where it remains fixed and it is inserted into the middle third of linea aspera where the insertion take place and the movement from the insertion take place. And all the adductors of the thigh, the function of the adductors is to adduct the thigh. Their nerve supply, all the adductors is supplied by the obturator nerve. Anterior division of the obturator nerve is the nerve supply of adductor longus and its root value is L2, L3 and L4. Its origin is the front of the pubis attached to the linea aspera. Nerve supply is the obturator nerve and its function is to adduct the thigh.